Hi family, how are you doing today? Welcome back to Peaceful Warrior Dojo channel. So today I decide to pull one card from my deck from the Gateway of Light activation. And as I was shuffling cards, I pulled this very interesting card, Akashic Stargate. And as I was reading, the card is basically about align with purpose, crossroads, no wrong path, and was also telling me this card is maybe not just for me, but it's also for other people out there who need to hear the message. Or maybe somebody who resonates also with this energy. And aligning with the purpose. Not everybody, I think, in this world is aligned and do whatever they want to do. Many people are, I think, still doing things what maybe are not happy. They have to, they choose to for certain reasons. They are in the places where they are not maybe happy. So there are maybe different reasons why people are doing certain things and they are not really aligned with their own purpose. But those people who are getting ready, feeling there is a calling, maybe higher calling for something new, to step to your own power, to find your own purpose, to align with your higher self. Well, for those people, this card maybe can resonate, and I will read what is the card about and go a little bit deeper to it, because the card says about aligning with the purpose. There's like a first step to discovering what is your purpose, what you like to do, what you would like to accomplish in your life, where you would like to get. Then there is a crossroads. As you see, the crossroads are marked, I like say, with X. X is very powerful symbol because have many meanings in different cultures, different traditions, but in general I would say it's like a mark sometimes when you're looking to find a treasure and they mark it with X like on the map, right, and hide a treasure under. So maybe that's the point when you have to find your treasure, hidden treasure within you, because it's a crossroads of making decisions. And then on the card also says no wrong path, and as you see there is many mirrors on the card, many crossroads where you can many ways so you can choose, and it says no wrong path. So that's very interesting, very beautiful. But let's dive a little bit deeper and read what it's telling us. So a stargate is a portal that can take us through space and time to a whole other universe. It is based on a concept of Einstein-Rosen bridge, or what is also known as a wormhole, where a speculative structure linking different points of space-time is created. In spirituality, a stargate is less about traveling on the physical, three-dimensional level and more about making progress on the spiritual. A feature of many spiritual traditions is the idea that all of us have a stargate in our heart that connects us with a central lattice of consciousness. The Buddha acknowledged we were the universe, while Jesus said the kingdom of heaven is within you. The Akashic Stargate transports us to a space where we are given the opportunity to make a decision to accelerate the realization of our life purpose. So one more time, the Akashic Stargate transports us to a space where we are given the opportunity to make a decision to accelerate the realization of our purpose. So for connecting, visualize yourself at the crossroads. Tune into the direction that feels most joyful, light and loving. Imagine yourself walking that road. See all that it brings you. So how to connect with this is exactly by the visualization. That's the best way. Take your time. Take your time, anytime, anywhere you want. And start to visualize what you want, where you wanna get. What is the picture in your head? The most beautiful picture, like it says joyful, light, loving, and imagine to walking that road. So it will come to you because you start to walking that path. You have to start to see that you are there, you are walking that path, and it will manifest in our physical life. It's very important to do this. It's very important to visualize that what road you want to walk. No matter what is it, no matter what is in your head, just visualize. And so it is a message. Whenever the Akashic Stargate is presented to you, it is because you are a critical point. You are at a critical point on your journey. You have the opportunity to move in particular direction and you have to make a decision. This can feel overwhelming and you may be waiting for someone or something to make decision for you. But you aren't here to walk a path that was set for you. You are here to walk a path that you have chosen. The next phase of your journey cannot unfold until you decide which way to go. Know that whatever direction you take and whatever decision you make, you will always be on the right path. No matter how you get there, you will always end up in a similar space. Also know that purpose isn't about doing your duty, it is about living life and experiencing joy. Yeah, this message at the end is very powerful. So as is saying, critical point. This is a critical point for someone, and even this is part of me, part of my life, because that's how I feel in the current moment too, where I am currently, what I am experiencing currently, what I go through currently, also is connected to my life. But also I'm giving this message out there that maybe somebody out there can connect with it and feel the similar way. They are on the critical point that something is changing in your life, like rapidly, you know, like your life is like going to the next level, you know, and you don't have a clear picture maybe yet where you want to get, what you want to do exactly, because there is so many paths, so many ways, so many roads we can walk. So it's just choosing the one who feel for you the like most joyful and happier, you know, and imagining that one. So this is the point when it's time to choose. It's just like time is now, like really choosing whatever you want to walk, whatever you desire, whatever you wanna have done in your life. because it's also in this card very interesting, is saying, but you aren't here to walk a path that was set for you. You are here to walk a path that you have chosen. And I really like that, because yes, we have some destiny in our lives, and to get somewhere, to accomplish something, but how we get there, what is the destiny that's on us, that we choosing how to get to certain point. As they say, every road leads to Rome. So it's like your destiny is like a Rome, and you can go unlimited ways to get there, unlimited roads to get there, and unlimited times to get there. It's just up to you how you get there. So you choose what will be feeling the best for you. Imagine that, where you wanna get, where you wanna live, what you wanna do, with who you wanna live, with who you wanna do those things, how you wanna live your life, how happy you want to be, how wealthy you want to be, how successful you want to be, how spiritual you want to be, how enlightened you want to be. There is so many things you can choose for yourself. So you choose. Don't let life choose for you, because you will not maybe like it. Choose for you. So keep choosing. That's the easier path. And also, as I said, the next phase of your journey cannot unfold until you decide which way to go. So that's so true, because even in my life, I struggle a lot when I was not choosing for years which way I really want to go, because I wasn't sure. Because I know when I started choosing, I started manifesting very fast everything what I decided in my life. And of course, everybody is different. So everybody have different energy. So everybody can manifest in different speed, different way. So I was very careful actually, and holding back for some years, not to choosing my path, not to choosing which way I wanna walk, and just maybe overthinking. But when times comes, sometimes overthinking is just holding you back. So just don't overthink, just sometimes sit on it a little bit, meditate on it, imagine your path, and just do the steps, and follow those steps, what you feel inside you, to guide you to your higher purpose, to your most happier, healthier, wealthier life, what you can imagine. And maybe will things happen what you cannot even imagine, because sometimes they can be so amazing and so powerful, we can't even imagine what is awaiting for us out there. So guys, I think that's the message for today. I think it's very powerful. It's time to choose the path you want to walk on. There is no wrong path. This is from the Akashic Stargate. And it's time to travel to the universe, to the space, and to the life you want to live. You want to walk the path you desire the most for yourself. Thank you for being here. Thank you for listening. Thank you for your time. This is Peaceful Warrior Dojo. From my heart to your heart, I love you all.